Hello. To create a dashboard based on non-existent user data, go to the My Environment service. Click on the Create button in the Dashboard menu and enter the name of the table. For example, HR data, then confirm. As the dashboard is empty, you can drag an Excel file from your computer to use it in the dashboard. Once the file has been dragged onto the screen, the Suadeo SDS platform automatically saves the file and creates the data source. All you have to do is select the desired tables and columns for the user data to be created upon saving. From then on, you can create the various indicators in the dashboard in just a few clicks. For example, a breakdown of employees by department with a bar chart, or a sector indicating the proportion of fixed-term contracts in the company. For more detailed data, it may be useful to display a grid showing, for example, first name, last name, department, and contract type. If necessary, it is also possible to add calculated fields. To do this, simply click on the Calculated Fields button and apply a formula as you would in Excel. Here, we calculate the employee's seniority in years since they were hired. This allows you, for example, to display the average number of years of seniority for the different positions in the company. To display the average seniority by position, it is necessary to change the summary type applied to the calculated field. In this case, we use the average instead of the sum. Once the various indicators have been created, you can save the dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.